Starting in November we will be replacing the two video series, Dark Flyby Scene and Sunset Flyby Scene. This will be replaced with Generative Glide. Scenery is generated, almost like a painting. The sky, lighting, moon will be scientifically accurate to the video date and time. Facing north in Kaiapoi, New Zealand. The first video will start from midnight on the first day of the millennium. Even those two other video series will go. This one new video series will still cover them because natural sunsets and dark scenes will naturally occur. This particular video is from 23rd of June 2025 at midday. That is when this test video was generated. Each week it will add an hour. Check out this new video series in November.
Generative Glide on at Autonomy out CC. Please see like, dislike, or subscribe if you'd like to see more. I appreciate your feedback and read every comment, as this is a spare time hobby. Please be aware that implementing changes may be a gradual process. At Autonomy channel contains updates and works in progress on your channels. At Autonomy core channel contains general statistics and background information. Happy YouTube travels!